Hello everyone, welcome to Codenan Destinations CSR test. Before you take up the test, let me give you a small insights about the CSR recruitment process at Codenan Destination. The first round is going to be the online assessment. In this online assessment, you will be checked on the technicals, aptitude and also on your soft skills as well. The shortlisted candidates from this particular round will be heading to our next round. The second round is going to be the face-to-face interview which will be conducted by our team. The candidates who are getting shortlisted even in this particular round, they will be given an offer at Codenan Destination to get trained on core Java and aptitude skills and get unlimited placements for up to 6 months. Just before you start your online assessment, a small motivation from my side. What better motivation can I give you than your placements? At Codenan Destination, placements is the highest priority for us because candidates getting an entry into IT industry is the most important task we at Codenan Destination will be serving for. If you check the track record of Codenan Destination with regards to placement, what you see here is the complete statistics of Codenan Destination's overall placements. If we have to talk about the placement records, just look at this. This is the track record that Codenan Destination is having with regards to the placements. Want to be the next place candidate from Codenan Destination? Here is the opportunity. You have to clear this CSR test and be a part of our training. All the selected candidates from this CSR test will be reporting to our Bangalore Codenan office and your training will be conducted. I am waiting to see you all in Bangalore premises and all the very best for this CSR test. Wishing you a very good luck in your CSR test today from the team Codenan Destination.